Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be baking my Christmas fruit cake. So join me in the kitchen and let's start baking. So these are all the products and spices that I will be working with, and I have this jar of fruits from last year's soaking. I have some prune, some cherries, some cranberries, and some raisins. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to blend these fruits. So guys, I've been soaking these fruits from last year December in white rum and red label wine with mixed spices, vanilla, cinnamon powder, nutmeg. So just imagine this nice aroma that I'm getting now from these fruits. Okay guys, so let's blend these fruits, and blending all depends on how smooth you want your fruits to be. So this is it guys, this is perfect for me. Okay guys, so let's get in the baking process. So now I'm grating 1 nutmeg and set aside. So in my mixing bowl, I'm going to break 9 eggs, and I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon zest to eliminate the rawness from the eggs. So I'm going to whisk these eggs and set aside. Then I'm going to move on to cream my butter with my sugar. And guys, my butter has been out in room temperature for quite some time, so my butter is really soft, and that's gonna make it easier to cream. So guys, I'm working with a 1 pound cake mixture, so I'm using 1 pound of sugar and 1 pound of butter. So guys, I'm using the remaining butter on the paper, which is perfect and easy for me to grease my baking tin, then set them aside. So now I'm going to cream the butter and sugar, and the goal is to get it fluffy and soft, just like icing. So now I'm going to add the eggs to the butter batter little by little in small portions. So now it is time to add the fruits to the mixture. I'm adding 4 cups of fruit for this 1 pound cake mixture. So now it's time to add all the liquid ingredients. I'm adding 3 teaspoons of browning, and this really depends on how dark you want your cake. But last year I used 4 teaspoons of browning, and to me it was too dark. So this year I am cutting it down to 3 teaspoons. I'm also adding 5 teaspoons of vanilla for this 1-pound cake mixture. And I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of rose water. So I'm using 1 pound of flour, and I'm sifting my flour so that it can be light and easy to combine with my other dry ingredients. You can also use baking flour, but I'm using all-purpose flour. So I'm adding 2 teaspoons of grated nutmeg, and I'm also sifting my nutmeg so that it can be light and easy to combine with my flour. So now I'm going in with 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. So once I add all the dry ingredients, then I'm going to combine all together. So now that all my dry ingredients is properly mixed, I'm adding it to my fruit mixture. So now I have the perfect consistency, and I know this once my wooden spoon stands still in the middle. So now I am going to put them in my preheated oven on 250 degrees for 45 minutes. Then I'm going to lower the heat to 200 degrees and leave them there until they are nicely baked. So after I removed my cake from the oven, I saturate them with some red label wine and let them sit for 5 hours before cutting. So this is my cake after 90 minutes, all soft and moist and really yummy. This is the tester one, and as you can see, I almost ate half of it already. So guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Also turn your post notifications on so you will be notified whenever I post another video. Merry Christmas, guys. Happy holidays. Thank you again for watching my video. Bye. Peace.